Distracted driving has many definitions. It could be visual, like when you take your eyes off the road. It could be manual, like when you take your hands off the wheel. It could be cognitive, like when you simply take your mind off of driving. Texting while driving results in all three types of distractions. Michaela Matlock isn't afraid to admit it.
It was actually my fault. I think I was texting or something, and I wasn't paying attention.
She says just 2 months after she got her license, she became a statistic.
Don't. It's not worth it.
In the last 3 years here in Ohio, distracted drivers caused more than 31,000 accidents, creating almost 8,000 injuries and 74 deaths. This driver, for example, ran into a utility pole while texting.
You need to be doing a multitude of tasks just to drive. And anything that you do that takes away from or adds to that task loading obviously increases the danger of a crash happening.
If you really need to make a phone call, you could pull over, or they got hands-free.
Robert Murphy says his home state of California only allows drivers use cell phones if they're hands-free.
I think Ohio should have that law too. That's why they're called accidents, because they're an accident, but when you're not paying attention, it's almost intentional.
And hopefully you don't have to have an accident before you stop being a distracted driver. Did you learn your lesson?
Definitely, definitely. I'm not even on my phone when I drive anymore.
Ohio is one of 8 states that has no ban on texting while driving. Currently, 35 states have banned texting for all drivers, and another 7 states have partial bans. In Montgomery County, Wale Aliu, Fox 45 News.